Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Chevrolet Traverse. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat and mirrors so you have a clear view of your surroundings and can easily reach all controls. Locate the ignition button, usually on the dashboard, and familiarize yourself with the gear selector. Knowing where everything is before you start will make your driving experience much smoother and more confident. To begin your journey, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, simply press the engine start/stop button to bring your Traverse to life. Once the engine is running, select your desired gear. Choose drive for moving forward, reverse for backing up, or park when you are completely stopped. Remember to always keep your foot on the brake when shifting gears to prevent any unexpected movement. When driving, apply gentle and consistent pressure to the accelerator pedal for smooth acceleration. Always maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle in front of you, typically a 3-second gap. Remember to use your turn signals well in advance when changing lanes or making turns. When parking, shift into park and then engage the electronic parking brake for added security, especially on inclines. The Chevrolet Traverse is equipped with several helpful safety features. Make good use of the rearview camera when backing up to avoid obstacles. Pay attention to the blind spot monitoring system, which illuminates a light on your side mirrors. For highway driving, the adaptive cruise control can help maintain a set speed and distance. Most importantly, always wear your seatbelt and ensure all passengers are securely buckled up for every trip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.